Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you got a second watch, for example, a bike computer or maybe hiking GPS, and you are using the Garmin Connect app. We all know that. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna talk on how to actually add any Garmin type device to your existing account in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first, the universal method. This works for watches, edge bike computers, Venue, Phoenix, for runner, and even all devices. It works only basically if you have this Connect Garmin app. So we're gonna tap on this app, no matter what type device you are using. Android, iOS is totally fine. Make sure you log in using your email address and password. Then go all the way and tap on more here, basically the three-dot menu. Then tap Garmin devices. All you're gonna do now is tap on add device. Then we have basically these options that we're gonna talk about. Is it a new device? You should put the new device in pair mode by holding the light button or power button. Then wait for it to appear. Then tap it, confirm the code, and it's done. But for an old device, if you reset a device or got a used one, for example, you should put it in parent mode. The app treats it basically like a new one. All your history stays separate since Garmin merges data by account, not by device. So don't even worry if you are trying to sell your old one, for example. As for a small pro tip, the watch does not need to be fully charged. It just needs enough battery to complete the pairing. And that's it, you now have one account, many devices. Your account holds unlimited devices, and that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.